Changwen karako beronido mabusia no sechiwa muri mondo miyo wegi thuolo. Kaluwore kod okin kambi no Ipapu Jaka, trailer mar kambi no manoting'o kokoto mane itero e boma mabusia ne ondhi e tesen pimo ratil dwe mar 4 higani. Kata bed ni derep trailer no nochwale doho kendo doho weyo gari no thuolo, tesen no pod ok oweyo gari no thuolo nyaka sani, kowacho ni miyo gilal maduong' maromo milionde mag omenda. Apisa mochung' ne tudruok ka duol mar Kenya Charles Jogu onyisogi mondo gichwal ng'ur margi e doho.
Tumepewa court order kama 4 ama 5. Sasa court order imekuwa useless. Ukiwaletea unasema Kenha. Sasa sisi tunataka kujua Kenha, are they above the law or subject to the law? Tumedeposit 250,000 kotini. Hiyo pesa itakuwa imeenda bure ama hiyo pesa itakuwa ina thamani?
It raises an eyebrow. How can you charge someone in a separate court over the same vessel? This order had asked the company to deposit 250,000. We paid the money, deposited in court. We served them, they received, they have stamped. But we have come now here at the Weighbridge, they are still not actually in compliance with the order. So we are asking ourselves, is Kenya National Highways Authority above the law?
Kenya Hayabusia inatunyanyasa kwa sababu hiyo gari tangu ikuje mahali hapa tumejaribu comply na mambo yao. Wametaka tumetoka Ahero, tumeenda Kisumu, tumeenda Nakuru, tumeenda Eldoret, kila kitu tumelipa venye walitaka. Lakini imefika mahali penye nitakana tutolewe kwamba hasa court order imekuja kwamba wa release gari, wamekatalia gari. Tunataka kuuliza nini ya kwamba huyo Kenya mwenye Kenya ni yake binafsi ama ni Kenya ni ya serikali?